Marhaban, ahlan wa sahlan bikum. Welcome again to our Practice Speaking Arabic with me, Dr. Imran, Hamza, Alawiye. Today's lesson, we're going to do questions and answers, shall we? We make it easy. How do you say in Arabic, what's your first name? In Arabic, you say, Masmuka al-awwalu. What's your first name? Masmuka al-awwalu. In answer to that, in my case, I will say, Ismi al-awwalu Imran. Ismi al-awwalu Imran. My first name is Imran. Next question. What's your middle name? What's your middle name? In Arabic, I'll say, Masmuka al-awsatu. Masmuka al-awsatu. Al-awsat means middle. Masmuka al-awsatu. What's your middle name? In my case, I will say, Ismi al-awsatu Hamza. Ismi al-awsatu Hamza. My middle name is Hamza. Next question. What's your surname? What's your surname? In Arabic, you say, Masmu ailatika. To the man. Masmu ailatika. To the woman, you say, Masmu ailatiki. Masmu ailatiki. What's your surname? Ailatun, that means family, and is more extended family. Unlike Usratun, which is also a family, but it comprises only a small unit of father, mother, and their children. Whereas Ailatun is extended, such as father, mother, their children, uncles, aunts and nephew and nieces, and so on. Masmu ailatika. Masmu ailatiki. And in my case, I will say, Ismu ailati Alawiye. Ismu ailati Alawiye. My surname is Alawiye. Okay, next question. How do you say, what's your nationality? What's your nationality? In Arabic, you say, Ma jinsiyatuka. To the man. Ma jinsiyatuka. To the woman, you say, Ma jinsiyatuki. Ma jinsiyatuki. What's your nationality? Jinsiyatun, that means nationality. To answer that, in my case, I will say, Jinsiyati Nigeriyatun. Jinsiyati Nigeriyatun. My nationality is Nigerian. Then you can say, Anta Nigeriyun. Anta Nigeriyun. You are a Nigerian? Naam. Yes. Ana Nigerian. Yes, I am a Nigerian. Naam. Ana Nigerian. Yes, I am a Nigerian. If you're speaking to a woman, you say, Ma jinsiyatuki. What's your nationality? And the answer will be, Jinsiyati Nigeriyatun. Same way. Jinsiyati Nigeriyatun. My nationality is Nigerian. Anti Nigeriyatun. You are a Nigerian. Anti Nigeriyatun. You are Nigerian. Say, Naam. Ana Nigeriyatun. Naam. I am a Nigerian. Okay. Next question. What's your mother tongue? What's your mother tongue? ما هي or ما لغتك الأم? Speaking to a man. ما هي لغتك الأم? Or simply, ما لغتك الأم? What's your mother tongue? In my case, I would say لغتي الأم. لغتي الأم Yoruba. لغتي الأم Yoruba. My mother tongue is Yoruba. Yoruba. Yes, maybe one day I'll make a video and give you taste of lovely Yoruba language. Inshallah. God willing. Okay. And next question. Where were you born? Where were you born? Where were you born? In Arabic, you say أين ولدت to a man. أين ولدت? Where were you born? To a woman. أين ولدت? Where were you born? In my case, I will say ولدت في نيجيريا. ولدت في نيجيريا. I was born in Nigeria. A man and a woman will say the same thing. ولدت في نيجيريا. You may say أنا مولود في نيجيريا. A man speaking. أنا مولود في نيجيريا. I was born in Nigeria. In this case, a woman will say أنا مولودة في نيجيريا. أنا مولودة في نيجيريا. I was born in Nigeria. Okay, next question. Where in Nigeria or in which city in Nigeria? في أي مدينة في نيجيريا؟ في أي مدينة في نيجيريا? In which city in Nigeria? In my case, I would say في Ogbomoso, في مدينة Ogbomoso, in Ogbomoso city. في Ogbomoso. Next question would be أين تقع مدينة Ogbomoso في نيجيريا؟ أين تقع Ogbomoso في نيجيريا؟ أين تقع Ogbomoso في نيجيريا? Where is Ogbomoso located in Nigeria? Where is Ogbomoso located in Nigeria? أين تقع Ogbomoso في نيجيريا? أين تقع Ogbomoso في نيجيريا? And in my case, I would say تقع في جنوب غرب نيجيريا. تقع في جنوب غرب نيجيريا. It's located or situated in southwestern Nigeria. Southwestern Nigeria. Here we are. Few questions and answers. Next time, we're going to extend this, what I call interrogation, al-istijwab. And I'll give you more information about myself, inshallah. Well done. Please learn this accumulative information so that you feel more comfortable in your practice speaking Arabic. What we did today, for instance, I can remind you again. You will say, اسمي الأول عمران. اسمي الأوسط حمزة. اسم عائلتي علوية. جنسيتي نيجيرية. أنا نيجيري. ولدت في نيجيريا. أنا مولود في نيجيريا في مدينة أوبوماشو في جنوب غرب نيجيريا. لغتي الأم يوروبا. لغتي الأم يوروبا. Here we are. That is practice for you. apply this information to yourself. Ask yourself a question and answer it as well. Please subscribe before you go if you haven't done so, and send the link for me to those who might be interested. Thank you so much. And I have a charity, you know by now, and it's called helpinghandsforeducation.org. Please help us to complete our project, and that is to build an educational resource center for the children of my hometown, Ogbomoso, in southwestern Nigeria. Thank you so much for some of you who have done so. Some people think a lot of people have done it. No, not many people, unfortunately, but I know you will help, inshallah. And those who have helped, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Shukran jazilan. شكر الله لكم جزاكم الله خيرا أحسن الله إليكم وأدخل السرور إلى قلوبكم. مع السلامة، إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.